let us learn how to find the equivalent of a certain number in base 2 in base 10. That is, if you are given a number in base 2 and you're asked to find its equivalent in base 10, this is how you will do it, using this as an example. So find the equivalent of 1010 base 2 in base 10. In order to convert to base 10 from base 2, you must expand each of these digits by the power of the base. And this is how it's done. Solution. So starting from the first digit here, we would have 1 multiplied by 2. Then you add that to the next digit, which is 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2. Now we begin to give powers of 2 from the right. Starting with this, so we would have 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Then we simplify. So what we have here now is 1 multiplied by 2 cubed gives us 8, plus 0 multiplied by 2 squared, which gives us 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1, which is 2, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0, which gives us 1. Now, when we simplify this, we would get 1 times 8, 8, plus 0 times 4, 0, plus 1 times 2, 2, plus 0 times 1, 0. Now, let's add all of this up. This implies that 1010 base 2 equals 8 plus 0 is 8 plus 2, 10 plus 0 is still 10. So we have 10 base 10. And that's how we convert from base 2 to base 10. Thank you.